Because if that hadn't happened in my life, there won't be any happiness factors.
Tell the story of that. What do you mean if that hadn't happened in your life?
So I would say like most of the Indian people who migrate here, I was working for a tech company, had a good high paying job. I had come with my ex, and if he hadn't turned abusive and tried to kill me, I don't think I would have ever have realized the importance of mental wellness. And when I
Mm,
went to the doctors here, they were trying to prescribe me antidepressants, which I think in my situation, if I had taken that, I would not be even alive today. So it was good I
wow.
refused that and
Wow.
decided to start every day with a workout like a kickboxing or a Zumba or something because of the endorphins gets into your system. And I don't like taking medication. That's another thing. And I went
Yeah.
into self development, learned neuro linguistic programming, hypnotherapy, energy healing. And of course, I have a background in yoga, meditation, but I went much more deep into that. I learned with Deepak Chopra, Oprah Winfrey, Tony Robbins, Dr. Matt James, then Landmark, you name it, I would have done that course, right? Just to heal the pain I was in.
Wow. Wow.
And over the years, I realized that not just I don't have PTSD, but I'm so happy and I can like pretty much create whatever I want, right? From someone who that time, like people who saw me, they used to say, I wouldn't even look them in the eyes. Like I would like jump out of my skin if someone like you, if you as much as said hello to me. And
Really?
that
Really?
lack
Wow.
of confidence. And
Mm.
when I left with just a few clothes and I didn't know what to do. I didn't have a job. I didn't have confidence. And that's very character building when you don't have any support system and you're in a foreign country. You don't have any family, anyone to support you, right? So learning to gain that, I would say, strength within myself, the courage within myself, and healing myself till I reached a place where I realized that someone else's actions wasn't my responsibility. And that's when I decided if I was mentally well, no one could have taken advantage of me that much. And but good thing about the healing, the good side effect I would say of not taking medication and healing with the holistic means was that it made me creative enough to file a technology patent, and I'm not a technologist.
Wow.
And
Wow.
create a company. And I have won several awards, Woman of Influence. This year I won the Woman of Inspiration. I wrote a best-selling book called Find Your Happy, Survivor's Guide to Finding Joy in Spite of Life's Challenges. And I
Wow.
have few more patents pending as well as going for funding. And now, I mean, right now I feel that sky's the limit. I can pretty much do anything I want and achieve it. So I would say that that was a very, if life had fallen into place like my brothers, sisters, or everyone else who has the same life, like got married into a nice family, have kids, have houses, have normal life, I wouldn't become this, I would say,
Here you
Anita
are.
I am today,
Yeah.
this version of myself.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't be able to inspire so many other women who are in similar situations or other people and not even like have my own startup. So I would say like it was those surprising elements of my life which made me not just grow up but also gave me more compassion and kindness and I would say understanding of things, not just about mental wellness but of course about others, and
Yeah.
try to give back to community also as much as I can too.
What an inspiring story. Thank you for taking the time to share it. I mean, talk about that's a definition of an apparently unrelated frame of reference, right? The collision that you experienced
Yes.
was a profound one, but as you said, it resulted in an incredibly creative outcome. And so I'm grateful to get to know your story, and to hopefully your listeners already know this, but if they don't, I'm sure that was a huge gift for them.
No, thank you. No, I have talked about it in different stages after I healed. Before I healed, I wasn't ready because I used to feel ashamed of it. But then I realized people told me, okay, so many people will get inspiration when they don't see hope. And that's when I started sharing. And yeah, I have had a few, I would say I have been mentioned in a few news channels as well as some other TV channels as well for my story once I
Mm.
decided to come out of it. And right now,